and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a contact lens haul slash try on, and it's going to be from a company called Eyecandys. I believe this company is based in Hong Kong because when you are shopping and checking out, it will be converting your US dollars to Hong Kong dollars. And the contact lenses that I'm wearing right now are actually from Eyecandys, and they are called, I pulled it up on my laptop. They are called the Geo Tricolor Blue. So these are a blue contact lens, and I actually have the exact same pair but in the green color, so the Geo Tricolor Green, and they're the exact same thing but in a green shade. So these contact lenses in particular are a yearly replacement cycle, which means you can wear them for a year. The reason why these were attractive to me is because I already wear prescription glasses and contacts, so it didn't make sense for me to invest in a daily contact or a monthly contact, because as soon as I open it, I wouldn't be wearing it for a month consecutively or anything like that. So I just went for the yearly so that they would last me a long time and I would be wearing them only once in a while. I did purchase these about a year ago and they were about to expire, so I did want to purchase some new contact lenses. I thought I would purchase a few different items just to see if I like those as well. I've actually been holding on to this package for a long time and I haven't opened it. I haven't been wearing these contacts because I wanted to film this video for whoever is watching. So this is the package here. If you know that I love light pink, and this packaging is everything to me. This is the prettiest shade of metallic pink, and I'm just already happy with the way that they shipped this to me. I freaking love this color and I'm already off to a good start. But we're going to open this package here. So I finally opened the package here and I'm seeing some paper. So I'm just seeing an ad for some glasses, and they also give you a $10 discount code on your first order, and then they give you a contact lens care guide. So if you've never worn colored contacts before, they just really break it down for you and let you know all of the safety precautions, obviously to wash your hands with soap and dry them before touching your eyes. If you have soap residue on your hands and you touch your eyeball, it will burn. But this is really cool that they give this to you, especially for first time contact lens wearers. So I think this is really cool. So they come in little packages like this. I believe they're packaged a little differently, which is great because I can show you the different kinds of packaging that contact lenses can come in. But basically when you open it, you just want to make sure that nothing's wrong with it, that it's not open or contaminated in any way. So moving on to the contact lenses that I've purchased, I purchased two pairs of different contact lenses. The first one is called the Glossy Ivory, and this is a very popular contact lens from their store, and every single time that I try to purchase it, it's always out of stock in my prescription. So a few months ago when I was just checking their website, it was back in stock in my prescription, so I swooped in as quick as possible and I purchased these specific pair of contact lenses. And then the second pair is the Geo Blends Chic Blue, and they are this pair right here. I had never seen this pair of contact lens before, and I believe it's the same company as the ones that I'm wearing right now, but they are a different kind of contact lens. So I am Asian, I'm Korean American, and I have naturally brown eyes. So when I am shopping for colored contacts, I do tend to stray more away from the natural brown colors, and I do tend to go for the grays, the greens, and the blues. So this blue just looked really pretty. The cool thing about Eyecandys is that all of the models are Asian and they have naturally brown eyes, so you can see what the color contact will look like on brown eyes, which I think is really great. It's the same thing with hair. When you're going from a darker hair to a lighter hair, it's really hard for that pigmentation to really show through. But if you have blonde hair and you dye your hair pink or red or green, it's really gonna come out pink, red, or green. Whereas if you have darker hair, it doesn't have that same color payoff. So it's the same thing with color contacts. If you obviously have lighter eyes and you're putting on a color contact, it might be a little more vibrant. So it's really cool that Eyecandys does kind of cater to more Asian eye colors and more brown colors. So these are the Geo Blends contacts, and they come in this cute little packaging. You open it up And if you're not familiar with contact lenses, it does come with a little case that you can put in. So they come in these little vials, and you just want to make sure that they're not cracked, there's nothing wrong with them, because you will be putting these in your eyes. You just want to make sure that everything is normal in the way that it's supposed to be. And then you're going to pop open this lid, and it's going to peel a bit of this aluminum. And you're going to make sure to, kind of like peeling an orange, you're going to peel that off. And be very careful because it is sharp and you can cut yourself. Like I maybe just did right now. So it's going to peel like this, and just like an orange, you're gonna peel off the outer layer. Some people do use tweezers because they don't want to cut their finger, but just be careful when you're using tweezers too. So then it'll come off like this, hopefully, if you do it correctly. So it'll come off like this, and then there will be a softer lid that you can just pop off with your finger, with a tweezer, whatever, and it'll just pop up like that. So after you open this vial, you want to rinse out this case, put some contact solution in it, and put these in it and have them soak for, it says, 6 hours. So I'm going to go and clean out this container and soak these, and I'll be right back. So I am back with the Geo Blends Chic Blue, and I am so blown away with how beautiful these contact lenses are. They are a very noticeable shade of blue, so even though I have brown eyes, they are a very blue contact lens, and I am so happy with these. I think they look just amazing. They have an outer ring of a deeper blue, and then as it goes towards the iris, it's a little bit more subtle with a touch of green as well. But I'm really blown away with how pigmented these contact lenses are. Even with darker eyes like I have, they are just very vibrant. So these are $25 for the pair for both of the contact lenses, and they are a 6-month wear. So they'll last you for 6 months, whether that means you're wearing them consecutively for 6 months or you're spacing them out for 6 months. And I'm just really happy with these. If you have dark brown eyes, then I definitely would recommend these contact lenses if you're looking for contacts that are very more noticeable and not as subtle. So these were the Geo Chic Blends in blue. Okay, so I have those Geo Blends soaking, and next we're going to be opening up the Glossy Ivory. Gray colored contacts are one of my favorite color contacts to wear. I really think they give you a more unique look. So this is a limited edition contact lens, and every time I check online, they're always out of my prescription. So when these were back in stock in my prescription, I swooped as quick as possible and I picked these guys up, and I'm super excited to try them. They are a 6-month wear, so they'll last you 6 months whether you wear them consecutively or space them out, as long as you take good care of them. So same thing, they come in these little vials. You're gonna open them in the same exact way. They will say the dosage on top, so just make sure if you have different prescriptions in each eye that you are keeping track of which vial is which eye. So same thing, you're just gonna pop open the top, and it'll open like this, and you're just gonna peel it like you would an orange. Okay, so this is a perfect example. Sometimes it'll pop up like this, and you can use your fingers, but it is a little sharp, so you can use your tweezers, but be very careful when you're using your tweezers, and just pop open the lid like so. So same thing, we're gonna rinse out the container, and then we're gonna soak these in contact solution, and I will be right back. Okay, so I am back with the Glossy Ivory, and these are also just ridiculously beautiful. Even though I have dark eyes, this gray shade is just showing through, and it is this gorgeous light gray color, and I'm actually obsessed with this haul. Both of the contact lenses that I got, I'm absolutely in love with. They are perfect for dark colored eyes, and I'm just obsessed with these contact lenses. They are a true light gray, and even though I have brown eyes, they are showing up a true gray, and I could not be happier. So if you are looking for a more obvious, true to color, pigmented pair of contact lenses, then I would definitely try out the Glossy collection and the Geo Blends collection. So that is the end of this video. If you have a particular store that you love shopping at, please let me know down in the comments below. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'm definitely super happy with the contacts that I purchased today, and I will have all the information for these specific contact lenses in the description box below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!